how to mute and unmute yourself in Microsoft Teams meeting. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll show you how to mute and unmute yourself in a Microsoft Teams meeting. It's really simple. Just open up the meeting that you have joined. Now, you'll see a microphone icon on the meeting toolbar at the right hand side at the top. So to unmute yourself, you just have to tap on the mic option. Now you can see that the cross sign has disappeared. That means your microphone is active and others can hear you. This is useful when you want to speak during the meeting. Or you can also use a quick keyboard shortcut on a computer. You can just tap on Control Shift and M. So you can see the shortcut has turned off your mic. So now it's as simple as that. You can either tap on it and untap it again and again to mute and unmute yourself, or you can use the shortcut. And that's it. It's as simple as that to mute and unmute yourself in a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.